In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently if you no longer want to use the platform. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account Center section at the top and tap on it. Inside this section, tap Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control to see options related to your account. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion and select your Facebook account from the list. After selecting the account, choose Delete Account instead of Deactivate. Then tap Continue to move forward. Facebook will show you some information about what happens when your account is deleted. Continue through the steps and confirm your choice. You may be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. Once you confirm the deletion request, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.